come, and we'll take you all along to our journey as an intern. Tara!
Ikaw ba'y nalulumbay? Naghahanap ng kasabay, sabay hawak kamay. Sa mundo ika'y magbabay at kalimutan mo na.
The 9 of us entered PTB with a frightened and excited feeling because of knowing that finally, we will now live our dreams. Ang pinakakatakutan naming lahat ay ang masigawan, pero sa PTV car, we have never experienced any of it. Nakakatakot, nakakakaba, pero napakasaya.
Pangako sa'yo, nandito lang ako.
News pitching, yan ang una naming naging task. Akala namin nung una, may ibibigay sa amin na news, pero kami pala ang hahanap. However, this pitching moves to news gathering until news writing and also news reporting. Ang haba ng proseso, no? Pero nung napakinggan na namin sarili naming news on TV, isa lang masasabi namin, fulfilling. At dagdag ko pa, making connections or network while news gathering is a blessing because it is where you can introduce yourself sa mga seasoned professionals.
Problema, hawak lang sa aking kamay at tayo'y pupunta.
Being proactive is a must kasi minsan may ipapagawa na kailangan in 5 hours. For example, news gathering sa umaga, news airing sa hapon. Here in PTV, we get to learn to be versatile kasi minsan hindi lang kami behind the cam, writers, editors, or news gatherers. Minsan, content creator, actor, at TV show host din. Isang napakalaking achievement naming Siyam ay ang mag-produce ng TV show na Schoolmates, wherein from topic pitching and pre-production, shooting and production, up to editing of post-production, is kami ang in charge. Also, kami din pala ang marketers. O, diba? Given ang struggles and misunderstanding in a workplace, pero we have built a group turned into family that we will always cherish and always part of our growth. Ika nga nila, the flames of hatred can unexpectedly ignite the fire of love. It's the most unpredictable yet beautiful alchemy of emotions.
Joanna Batalang,
Shem Raziel Angelo,
Roseanne Ponce,
Erica Tizon,
Dasayakaw, Dayan Tukay,
Joy Ann Palawag,
Franz Maniago,
Narja Kusalem,